what's up guys? This is Dave from Crux Motorsports. We're going to be showing you today how to apply our pre-cut door handle overlay on this 2025 Forester. If you are linked to this because you purchased this for a different vehicle, this is applied in the same manner. This particular product fits quite a few Subarus. So this is a dry application film. So it's going to be applied completely dry. First, you want to start by cleaning the surface around where you're going to be doing the installation at, just with the car soap. And once that dries off, you could begin the installation process. Right prior to installation, you do want to wipe down the handle with a microfiber and a little bit of rubbing alcohol, just to make sure everything is off. Once that dries off, you could go ahead and apply the actual decal. This is the dry carbon fiber film that we're going to be showing you from 3M. And we do have this available in a variety of other colors on the website. And the tools that you're going to be needing for today are just a heat gun. You won't need anything else for this particular one. If you don't have a heat gun, you can use a hair dryer as well. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you the front door handle. The rest of them are applied in the same way. The only difference is you don't have that little circle cut out for the key. So again, this is just a microfiber with rubbing alcohol, and this just will get anything that you missed off of it, including the oils and greases from the skin as well. So once that dries off, which I think we're about there, you go ahead and begin your installation process. I'm going to start with the little round piece first. And you want to align basically on that round cutout, making sure it's centered. And once you got that, you can go ahead and press down the film. Then you can move over to the longer piece. I'm going to start the alignment at the back, just so we make sure that those two line up perfectly. Then just work your way down the door handle to the front. And once you have the alignment down, you can go ahead and start to work down the film. I try to start in the center and work top to bottom on this one. This is a pretty conformable film, and even if you do have a different color, they're all generally pretty conformable. This is a pretty flat surface, so you're not going to have to worry too much about the heat. Some of the films, if you notice, it will bunch up down here and not smoothly finish like this one just did. That you would want to hit with a little bit of heat, and then you could go ahead and work that down. I would recommend doing heat once you're fully applied here. This is going to help to lock down the film a little bit, and then if you did miss anything, a little bubble will pop up, and then you could go ahead and smooth that down once the film has completely cooled back to the normal room temperature. I'm going to be getting this edge on both the front and the back, because there is just a touch of overhang on it. Then go ahead and get the rounded portions. Like I said, that would be the most likely, if you did have to use heat, it would be in that section. And there you have it. Again, this is the 3M dry carbon fiber. This is their newest one, the 2080 series. Very conformable, very easy to use. We do have this available in like a printed carbon fiber as well, if you're looking for something a little bit more glossy. But the dry carbon fiber gives it a nice subtle look, especially in the darker colors. It tends to blend with the paint, but you still have that little bit of accent there when you're actually paying attention. So if you have any questions on this product or any of our other products, go ahead and drop us a line. Our email and phone number is listed on our website. Link for this product is in the video description below, as well as the rest of the products that we offer for this vehicle is linked as well. So again, if you have any questions, let us know, and thanks for watching.